Hi there, welcome to the Wovka videography channel, and today I want to talk about my new gimbal. It's DJI RONIN RS3 Mini. Here we go. I bought it today and I want to unpack it here on this video with you. It's really mini. Let's go, let's see what's inside. A lot of paper. So small. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, nothing special. It's kind of the usual packaging. It's not much inside. Here is DJI Mini RS3. And here is my previous gimbal. It's Zion Crane 2. So why I bought this one? Because I need a professional thing for making vertical content. In fashion industry, people need a lot of reels, and as you saw in my previous video, somewhere here, on Fashion Week, everything was vertical. Zion Crane 2 can stand with this camera. It's FX3 with 2470. I want to try if this small thing will handle with this big camera. If it will, it's gonna be the perfect match, but we'll see. Well, it took me kinda 10 minutes to set up everything because I just unpacked it and didn't know what to do. I'm surprised that everything is working because it's not the easiest camera to work with. It's FX3 and 2470. It's really big lens. Look at this. Yes, it feels like a bit plasticky, but it's okay. It's really comfortable to hold. It's much easier than Zion Crane 2. Let's go, let's make some tests. The most beautiful thing in this gimbal is that it already in box has the vertical mount for vertical shooting. I'm shooting vertically now kinda 16% of my working time. So nowadays everybody wants vertical videos, so we need to stand with this. And now we're just walking. Nika is shooting me with my old Lumix GH5 and I'm shooting with FX3 on this gimbal. Also, I want to tell you that you can download all the footages from today's shooting on my Patreon channel, so be sure that you are subscribed. Also, you can find the LUTs there and a lot of different beautiful stuff. So yeah, I'm now walking slowly, not very accurate. The hardest test for gimbals is always stairs, and I want to try it with a vertical setup. So let's go. And back. I'm running, so now I'm trying to walk really fast. Here I think you can see some small jitters, but it's nothing criminal. And now let's try to walk with the real professional videographer walk. So now we are shooting horizontally. Go. Yeah, go, 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 go. I really love this stabilization. This small gimbal is doing pretty good.
This small thing also can be like a vlogging cam. It's so easy to work with it, especially after big, huge metal Zion crane too. Of course, I think this gimbal is not perfect because it's small and we have these movements, ups and downs. But for some short kinda content like reels, TikTok stuff and shorts, I think it will be quite enough. When you have like 10-15 seconds video, so you have to shoot for 3-4 seconds of one shot, it will be quite okay. And also I'm now walking with big FX3 2470 and gimbal in my left hand. My main hand is right, so I don't know what you think. For me, this gimbal is working really good. What do you think? Thank you for your time. So this gimbal is perfect for destination videographers, for guys like you and me who is shooting solo and traveling a lot. So you can put the whole thing with the camera in your bag. Voila!
So what is my conclusion? For my job, for that what I'm doing, it's a lot of traveling, destination weddings and a lot of vertical content. For this type of work, I think this is the perfect choice. Don't forget about the price of this gimbal. It's 370 euros. For now, I see that this is the #1 investment in 2023. But of course, I need to test it on real work with some campaigns or on Fashion Week. I'm excited how this small thing can handle with this big camera and big lens. It's kind of magic, or it's really working. Tell me what you think about this new small gimbal. I think this is the future and it will make me a lot of money. See you in next videos.